Hi dear friends, today my topic is Candy Brand Smart Pro Inverter Washing Machine 8 by 5 1400 RPM easy iron quick clean. Now I'm going to explain to you how to select only the dry option. This is inside this one 8 kilo wash and 5 kg dry. You have to think about the load 5 kg only dry, not 8 kg. If you are if you are washing more than 5 kg, you have to remove wash fabric from the machine up to 5 kg. After that you can select whatever dry option. Now I'm going to show you how to select the separate dry and with the dry. Now I'm this one Wi-Fi option. You have to add the you have to download the Candy app to the mobile. After that you can select Wi-Fi. You can connect with the Wi-Fi also. Now for example, this white option, you can select whatever dry option. While pressing this one, you can see here it is extra dry, this one iron dry, this one cupboard dry. If you press another one, it will come 120 minutes dry. Again another press, after pressing it will come 90 minutes, also 60 minutes and 30 minutes. And this 2 point, that's been wash option, this one white, only the 2 hour 50 minutes it will add with the dry option, extra increasing timing. Now this one washer with the dry, any option you can select any option. Now this one also, for example, that's mean after washing it will go automatically for dry option while you selecting this procedure. Now if you don't like to, that means it will take more time. For example, I'm selecting here white option. With the white option I'm selecting extra dry. I will show you, it is time, more time, actually it's 6 hour 40 minutes is showing. Because of that only I'm telling, if you don't like to use this option, you can select, for example I will show you again. Now you don't have much load to wash. Because of that you can go for here rapid 14 minutes, and also you can select whatever dry option also. And you can select whatever dry option. Now for example, now I'm selecting extra dry. It is showing 3 hour and 4 minutes. And iron dry, this one say 1 hour 34 minutes. That means 14 minutes only wash, but any other timing dry option. And this one with the rapid 14 minutes here, 2 hour 44 minutes. That's mean I'm going to show you. Now I'm selecting here rapid only 14 minutes. Now I'm starting machine. Now within 14 minutes your fabric wash, ring, spin, finish. After that machine will get stopped automatically. Then you can select whatever here dry option, separate dry, not with the dry wash, without wash, only separate dry. You can select here easy iron plus, or otherwise high heat. This, while you select any heat option, dry option, you can select here extra, and same like before I show you, it is iron dry, cupboard dry, also 120 minutes, also 90 minutes, also 60 minutes, 30 minutes. This is the way separate dry and with the wash and dry. Don't get misunderstand. This one, when you select this high heat, low heat, wool dry, this one actually separate dry, not washing. Now while you selecting this option, it will go for the wash and dry. This is the way how to select dry option. Now this one I select dry wool without wash, only the dry, the wool fabric. You can select only the iron dry and cupboard dry. You can select, you are not able to select extra dry because this fabric is wool. But you can select only these two option only. You can see here, you are not able to select any other options, only this cupboard and iron only a wool, but you can select whatever low temperature, and after that you can go as same before, 120, 90, 60, 30, like that. Now I'm thinking you understood how to select, separate, dry, and wash and dry with this brand Candy 85 8 by 5 Smart Pro inverter system. This is the way how to select. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video.